The simplest way to make money without taking on a big risk is this: sell something before you build something. That is the part that most beginners miss. Making money online starts with buying a course. They think making money online starts with building a course, buying software, hiring a designer, creating a website, running paid ads, spending months on branding, and making a product that nobody has actually asked for. Then they cross their fingers and hope that someone buys. That is taking a risk. Not because online business is risky by itself, but because they are spending their time, money, and energy before they even have proof that actually someone wants their thing. The way to lower your risk is to start with demand first. And this is what it looks like. Step number 1, pick a problem that people already want solved. Don't start with what should I create. Start with what problem are people already experiencing that they want to fix. For example, they want more leads. They don't know what to post. Their group is quiet. They want to start online. They need help launching an offer. They want to grow their school community. They want to sell without sales calls. When the problem already matters to people, you are not trying to convince them to care. You are simply showing up with a solution. Number 2 is to offer help before you actually build the full product. You do not need a full course to make your first dollar. You can start with something simple: a paid workshop, a one-on-one strategy session, a 7-day sprint, a small group of beta students, a template pack, a service, or an affiliate offer with your own bonus support. The point is to keep your version simple and lean, because you're not building a huge machine, you're testing a simple offer. Number 3 is to pre-sell the idea. This is the closest thing to a no-risk business. Instead of building first and crossing your fingers and hoping people buy, talk about the problem, explain the solution, and invite people to join before you overbuild it. You could do something like this: I'm putting together a simple 7-day sprint to help beginners create their first content system and to launch their offer without overthinking everything. If you want the details, comment start. By doing that, you're getting their attention, you're finding out their interest, and you're building demand. If people raise their hands, you have a signal. If no one cares, you adjust before wasting weeks of your time, energy, and money building something around no one wanted. Number 4 is to use the skills that you already have. The fastest, low-risk way to make money is to use what you already know. You do not need inventory. You do not need ads. You do not need a giant audience. And you do not need a full tech stack. You need a useful skill and a person who wants your help. If you can help someone solve a real problem that they are experiencing, you can package that into an offer. Number 5, start with content and conversations. Content creates attention. Conversations create clarity. Sales come from understanding what people actually need and offering a next step that makes sense. So instead of hiding behind the work, start posting around the problem. Then talk to the people that engage. Ask them, what are you trying to fix right now? What have you already tried? What feels stuck? What will make this easier for you? Those conversations tell you what people will actually pay for. Number 6 is to keep the promise simple. Do not promise them the world. Make the first offer specific. Not, I will help you build your dream business, but I'll help you create your first 10 pieces of content around your offer. Or I'll help you set up your school community launch plan. Or I'll help you turn your Facebook group into a simple sales system. Specific is easier to sell. Specific is easier to deliver. Specific reduces the risk for both you and the buyer. The simplest way to make money with the least risk is to solve a real problem. Pre-sell a simple offer, use the skills that you already have, and only build after people show their interest. Do not spend months creating something in silence that no one has asked for. Do not buy a bunch of tools before you have buyers. And do not try to look like a business before you've proven the offer. Start lean, talk about the problem, invite people into a simple solution, get paid, and deliver. This is exactly why I'm part of the One Group operating system. We help coaches, course creators, affiliates, local business owners, and beginners build a simple system around content, community, conversations, and conversions. No complicated funnels, no risky ad spend, and no building a giant offer that nobody has asked for. Just a clean operating system for turning what you know into content, conversations, and buyers. If you want help making money online with a simple, low-risk system, comment group down below, and I'll send you the details.